Ayun na. 4 minutes to go. Your network connection is unstable. The data transmission delay is more. Ang bagal ang net. Ba't unstable daw internet natin? Baka technical thing more than 1.1% drop frame. Nako. Kahit wala. Two minutes to go. Bagal ang net ko. Saan na yun? Bet wala. Wala yung aking live. Nasaan? May problema tayo. Yun. May viewer na eh. Tingnan mo nga sa'yo. Check time, 7:59, Papa Mike. Seek a break in a minute. Seek a break in a minute. We are about to begin the evening net of the X1 PRS. All stations, please stand by. Two minutes to go. Take a break. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening, Pelhams. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. It is 8 days of April 2021. It's a Thursday. Welcome to the evening net of the Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or the X1 PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is a amateur group registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunication Commission, and affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association. The X1 PRS conduct its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. Your net control for tonight is for H1 LCU. My handle is Nelson. I am transmitting from Barangay Pila-Pila, Binangonan, Rizal. I am working with Kenwood 281 Alpha with the power output of 50 watts hooked up to Diamond X700 hotel antenna, 37 feet from the ground. All station, please orbit your transceiver to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call DX1 PRS. All stations will be standing by. Second call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the X1 PRS. All stations will be standing by. Any relay for H1 LCU for the X1 PRS standing by. Any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. The X1 PRS will be listening. Second call for any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officer, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. The X1 PRS will be listening. Please be advised that this is a supervised net. Therefore, all calls must pass through to the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and suffix. Excuse me po. By joining this net call, you are declared that you are using your registered NTC-issued call sign as prescribed by law. However, those who do not have yet the appropriate call sign, we encourage you to acquire the same in order to enjoy the full privilege of using the amateur radio frequencies as specified in the license. For more information and details regarding amateur radio licensing, please visit the website of Philippine Amateur Radio Association at www.para.org.ph. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wishes to join the X1 PRS. Please call my station for H1 LCU. My handle is Nelson. I am transmitting from Binangonan, Rizal for the X1 PRS. Will be standing by.
For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima.
D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
Ay, copy 3 station. Kung mayroon pong hindi ko natawag, pakibalik po. Copy si Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey, Tito June. Alpha Zulu Sierra, Tito Boy. For Golf 1, Fox Bravo Lima. Mayroon pa po siyang di na lista. Pakibalik.
DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra.
Ray Romeo.
DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra.
Copy Tito June. SBS, copy na. Yung pong may Romeo, pakibalik.
Delta Whiskey 1, Victor, S. Ray Romeo.
Copy, Tito Voltaire, Tito Ray, Tito June, dalawang June, Tito Boy, please stand by po. At unahin na po natin si Tito Elmer. For Golf 1, Fox Bravo Lima. Welcome to the evening net.
Magandang gabi, Tito Nelson. For H1 LCU, for the X1 PRS. For Golf 1, Fox Bravo Lima. Si Elmer po, nagpapakala. Sumusuporta po sa panggabing ugnayan 73 and 5x9 po.
Ayun, likewise, Tito Elmer, your 5x9 here at Binangonan, Rizal. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Elmer ng Muntinlupa City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net, your station. For Golf 1, Fox Bravo Lima is properly locked and clear. Next station, Tito Boy, Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra, go ahead.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at lahat. Nagpapalala, babati na tiklis-tiklis na pitapot tatlo sa inyo at sa lahat. Mga traffic, Kiaryo, Kiarex, Kirel. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat din po, Tito Boy. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Boy ng Tambo, Paranaque. From the group DX1, Alpha Charlie Echo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibinet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Ibinet, your station. Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra is properly locked and clear, 73. Next station, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey, Tito Jun, please go ahead.
Greeting DX1 PRS, greeting Tito Nelson, and to all monitoring stations, nagpapatala po at mabati ng magandang gabi at palagi mag-ingat. Tito Nelson, how copy running 5 watts?
Ay, pakibalik dito, di ko nabilang yung metro.
1, 2, 3.
Ayun, 5x8 ka rito sa akin at booming audio naman. At ayun dito, Tito Jun.
Yes, maraming salamat po Tito Nelson, magandang gabi ulit at salamat po.
Likewise, magandang gabi din dyan sa Los Baños, Laguna. Acknowledge your station, Tito Jun, ng UP, Los Baños, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibinet. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey is properly locked and clear, 73. Next station, isa pang June, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra. Go ahead, Tito Jun, Head Technical Committee ng DX1 PRS.
Good evening, Nelson, po Hotel 1 Limanchari Uniform, DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting the head of our group, DX1 PRS, Nomor Traffic, 73, and mabuhay, gandang gabi sa lahat.
Magandang gabi din, Tito Jun, at isa pang Jun. Si Tito Jun ng Muntinlupa City from the group at Head Technical Affairs Committee ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our Ibinet. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra is properly logged and clear, 73. Next station, Tito Ray, Delta Whiskey 1, BXR, go ahead.
Good evening, Nelson, and good evening to all the stations on monitor. For Group 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS. This is TW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo join the net. No other traffic, Nelson. Good evening and 73. Salamat.
Salamat din po, Tito Ray, ng Caridad Cavite from the group DX1 Echo Romeo, Acer Incorporated. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibinet. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Ibinet, your station. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo is properly locked and clear, 73. Next station, si Tito Bolter from Cuenca, Batangas for India 1, Papa Uniform Victor. Go ahead. Acknowledge your station, Tito Bolter ng Cuenca, Batangas. At sinama ko na rin yung XYL, si Tita Eden. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibinet, your station. 2 station for India 1, Papa Uniform Victor, and 4 Golf 1, Echo Alpha X-Rays properly logged and clear, 73. At nadinig kita, Mark, at na-acknowledge lang si Tito Volterra. Ayun, acknowledge to station, Tito Volterra and Tita Eden, properly locked and clear, 73. Indulgent po sa mga nauna. Wala pala, no? At sunod ko na din po si Tito Mark. Go ahead, Tito Mark, comfortable.
Yes, good evening dito. Good evening sa lahat. One time Victor Sari, supporting the head of the X1 PRS. Ingat po na God bless at dito po lang.
Naka-portable ka ba, Tito Mark?
Yes, dito.
Ayun, at malakas yung mo rito, medyo may nala yung audio. 5x8 ka rito sa akin, at medyo may nala yung audio pero readable. Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Mark, ng GMA Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibinet. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Ibinet, your station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie is properly locked and clear, 70. And acknowledge to station, nag-check-in sa akin sa live, 4 Golf 1, Alpha Victor India, si Tito Jun ng DX1 Wapi. At from the group, Delta India November, Tita Ivy. Your 2 station is properly locked and clear, 73. Magandang gabi sa inyong lugar dyan. Any more station?
Delta Victory 1, Whiskey.
Para Tarawan, Alpha Kila Tango. Lima. Para Tarawan, Alpha Kila Tango.
Copy, Tito Rueno, Alpha Kilo Tango, Whiskey, copy, please stand by. Mayroon pa pong isang 5-5 po na dinig.
4 Golf 1, Bravo 5-5.
Ayun, please stand by, Tito Nato, Tito Rueno, tawagin ko lang si Tito Vic ng San Pedro, Laguna, Delta Victory 1, Whiskey, go ahead, Tito.
Evening Nelson, good evening all around. The supporting the evening of Dix1. PRS, no traffic, 73 5920 dB. Thank you.
Ayun, Tito, at punong-puno ka rito sa lugar ko, sa Binangonan Rizal, at medyo may inala yung audio, siguro malayo yung microphone. Pero sagad na sagad yung metro mo. Acknowledge your station, Tito Vic ng San Pedro, Laguna, from the group DX1L, Parlink Incorporated. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet Church Station, Portal 1, Delta Victory 1, Whiskey is properly loud and clear. Pasensya na at iba yung nabasa ko. Magandang gabi dyan, Tito Vic. Next station, Tito Rueno, Alpha Kilo Tango, go ahead.
Kaya ko, nagkapalit na ng call sign. Ayun, magandang gabi control at magandang gabi sa lahat. Poro Telwan, Alpha Kilo Tango, sumusuporta sa gabing lambatan. Sige, traffic, 73, puno rin ngayon dito sa aking lugarin. Wala mapagsitlan. 4 November, Tango.
4 Golf 1, Alpha November India.
Copy to station, Tito Gani, Tito Nick, please stand by at acknowledge lang natin si Tito Rueno. Ganon din sa iyo, Tito Rueno, at punong-puno ka rito sa lugar ko. Sa Binangonan, wala din pagsidlan. Ay, acknowledge your station, Tito Rueno ng Dasmariñas, Cavite, from the group DX1 Ace. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet First Station. For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango is properly loud and clear. 73, next station, Tito Nato, Bravo 55, go ahead.
Yes, hello. Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, fellow AMs. So, 4 Golf 1, Bravo 55, with Dalap Nato, transmitting from General Trias, Cavite. No traffic, just supporting the evening at 73 and mabuhay. Yes, I am Iwan, November Golf, Raya.
Ayun, copy, Tito Nilo, please stand by lang po at acknowledge ko lang si Tito Nato. Acknowledge your station, Tito Nato ng General Trias, Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, your station for Go 1. Bravo 55 is properly loud and clear. Pasensya na po doon sa dalawang nauna at unahin na po natin yung malayo. Sariaya, Quezon, DY1, 5 November Golf. Go ahead, Tito Nilo.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, magandang gabi sa lahat. Yes, yun is 88, traffic. Maraming salamat, 73.
Ayun, Tito, 5x4 ka rito sa lugar kong tago sa bandang lugar mo. Ang lakas din naman. Readable ka naman sa akin, 5x4. Readable audio. Acknowledge your station, Tito Nilo ng Sariaya, Quezon, from the group DX1 Echo Victor Mike. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, your station. Delta Yankee 1, 5 November Golf is properly loud and clear. At tawagin ko po yung kababayan kong napakapogi sa Taytay. Go ahead, November Tango.
Ay lang, magandang gabi dyan, Tito Nelson, at magandang gabi po sa mga nakatabay. Please like my station for Golf 1 November Tango. Nick po ng Teta Rizal, Junction is supporting the X1 PRS. Dapat din mo ba, ingat-ingat dyan, kababayan pogi.
Ayun, ganun din sa iyo, Tito Nick, at ingat-ingat po tayo at medyo lag yung aking net ngayon at mahina daw yung net, sabi ng anak ko, mukhang may problema. Baka hindi pa pumapasok yung aming bills. Kababayad ko lang kahapon eh. Ayun, tawag dito, acknowledge your station, Tito Nick, ng Taytay Rizal, from the group DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango, NCS, and board member of DX1 ART. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet, your station for Golf 1 November Tango is properly loud and clear. 73. Next station for Golf 1 Alpha November India. Go ahead, Tito Gani.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, DX1 PRS. For Golf 1 Alpha November India, galing po ni Jamie Cavite. Supporting the Eveningnet, Nado Traffic 73, mabuhay.
Forest 1, YMO. Kilo 5 Golf for the net.
Copy to station, Kilo 5 Golf, YMO, copy, please stand by. Acknowledge ko lang si Tito Gani ng GMA Cavite, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet, your station. Nasaan na ba ako? For Golf 1, Alpha November India is properly logged and clear. 73. Next station, for Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar, Tito Gilbert, go ahead. For H1, YMO, go, go, go. Acknowledge your station, Tito Gilbert ng Calamba, Laguna, from the group DX1 Papa. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet, your station. For Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar is properly logged and clear. 73. Next station, Kilo Lima Golf, Tito Joseph ng Muntinlupa City, go ahead.
Ayun, good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. 1 Kilo Lima Golf, transmitting sa Muntinlupa. Joining the Eveningnet with no traffic, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Joseph ng Muntinlupa City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet, your station. Portal, your station, Kilo Lima Golf is properly logged and clear. 73. Any more station?
Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf.
Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf.
Papito Station, Tito Dindo, please stand by. Unahin na natin si Tito Jomar, Portal 1, Delta Tango Golf, go ahead.
Teaming Control, good evening sa lahat. Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf. Joining the Eveningnet, 73, and mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Jomar ng Pasay City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, your station. Portal 1, Delta Tango Golf is properly logged and cleared. 73. Next station, Portal 1, Bravo Delta Golf, Tito Dindo, go ahead.
Ayun, magandang nabibo Tito Nelson. Po Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf, just supporting the PRSnet, 73, galing po.
God bless you too, Tito Dindo ng Comembo Makati from the group DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet, your station. For Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf is properly logged and clear. 73. Any more station? Chickenet any station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Eveningnet. Please call my station 4H1 LCU, my handle is Nelson from Binangonan Rizal for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Chickenet and station who wish to join the X1 PRS Eveningnet. Acknowledge to station, si Tito Joy ng Binangonan Rizal from the group. Thank you for always supporting our Eveningnet, your station. For Golf 1, Queen Alpha Zulu is properly logged and clear. And next station, Ademar ng Tarlac City from the group DX3 Cabalen. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet. Your station, Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey is properly logged and clear. 70. Any more station?
For Golf 1, Yankee Oscar Romeo.
For Golf 1, Yankee Oscar Romeo. Go ahead, Tito Esmeraldo.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Control. From Mamatid, Cabuyao, Laguna, supporting the evening call. Mabuhay, 73. Ingat po sa lahat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Esmeraldo ng Mamatid, Cabuyao, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet, your station. For Golf 1, Yankee Oscar Romeo is properly logged and clear. 73. Any more station? Acknowledge station, Tito Arnel ng Los Baños, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1PRS Evening Net, your station, Delta Yankee 1. Yankee, Tango, Yankees, properly, loud and clear. Magandang gabi dyan sa Los Baños, Tito Arnel. Any more station who wish to join the X1PRS? Chicknet and station be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1PRS Evening Net. This is for H1LCU. My handle is Nelson, transmitting from Binang Mona Rizal for the X1PRS, standing by. Portal 1, Bravo Zulu Echo, Tito Meloy, go ahead. Ayun, naka-portable ka ba, Tito Meloy? Nawala na agad, lipat agad. Acknowledge your station, Tito Meloy, ng Commonwealth, Quezon City, from the group, the X1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net. Your station, Portal 1, Bravo Zulu Echo, is properly loud and clear. 773. Ano ba yun? JYQ. And also acknowledge the station of Tito Ame ng Malaybalay, Bukidnon. Thank you for always supporting the X1PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net, your station, Delta Whiskey 9, Juliet, Yankee, Quebec, is properly loud and clear. Magandang gabi dyan, Malaybalay, Bukidnon, Tito Ame. Pakakagawa na rin ako ng antena balang araw. Magandang gabi dyan. Any more station? Go ahead po yung po nagpiga. Ayun, Tito Santi, go ahead na po. San Mateo Rizal. Tito Santi, Sierra Lima Alpha, go ahead. Delta Victory 1, Sierra Lima Alpha. Tito Santi, ikaw ba yun? Ayun, Tito, at 5x8 ka rito sa lugar ko, may hinala yung audio pero readable naman, may konting kalaskas. Acknowledge your station, Tito Santi, at medyo nakakapuyan na kita dyan. Si Tito Santi ng San Mateo Rizal from the group, the X1 Delta Bravo Tango. Thank you for always supporting the X1PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net, short station, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Lima Alpha is properly loud and clear. 73, any more station?
4, Foxtrot 9, Asia, Norway, Canada, stroke 1. Yung pong Indian November Charlie Canada, go ahead po please. Give me your complete call sign, handle and location. Yeah, good evening, controlling. Good evening all around the X1PRS. This is Manuel for Foxtrot 9, India, November, Charlie, stroke 1 from Tagaytay. No traffic in 73.
Ayun, Tito Manuel ng Tagaytay. Acknowledge your station, Tito Manuel, for F9, India, November, Charlie. Your station is properly loud and clear. 73, magandang gabi po dyan sa lugar niyo. Any more?
Romeo Oscar Mike. India Yankee.
Copy for station, Romeo Oscar Mike, Kilo India Yankee, Tito Ed, Romeo Mike Charlie, DULM, please stand by. Unahin ko lang si Romeo Oscar Mike. Go ahead, Tito Romano.
Magandang gabi, Control. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng nakaantabay. Nagpapatala lang po sa gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73, ingat-ingat po tayong lahat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Romano, ng San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Romeo Oscar Mike, is properly locked and clear. 73. Next station, Tito Ed, Kilo India Yankee, go ahead. Acknowledge your station, Tito Ed, ng San Pablo, Laguna, from the group DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net, your station, Delta, Uniform 1, Kilo, India Yankees, properly loud and clear. 73, next station, for Group 1, Romeo Mike Charlie, go ahead, Tito Richard. Acknowledge Tito Richard, your 5x4 here at Binangonan Rizal. Readable audio, konting scratchy, may na yung audio, readable naman. Acknowledge your station, Tito Richard ng Lagro, mali pala. Tama ba? Lagro, Quezon City, from the group DX1, Mike Charlie Golf. NCS din po siya ng Mike Charlie Golf at pasabay lang din po Tito Richard. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net, your station for Group 1, Romeo Mike Charlie, properly locked and clear, 73. And next station, si Mr. President, Tito Francis, DB1 ULM, go ahead.
The X1 PRS with X1 LC, DB1 ULM. I'm joining the network with no traffic. Together with the PAMBAM for H1, Bravo Alpha Delta, and 4G1, Bravo Alpha Alpha. Have a safe long weekend tomorrow, April 9, araw ng kagitingan. Birthday ni Lolo Tony. So, hindi yun yung why. X1 PRS, thank you for conducting the rest. DB1 uniform your way.
Acknowledge 3 station, Tito Francis, Tito Lynn, and Tito Franz from Muntinlupa, from the group. Si Tito Francis ay president po ng X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net. Your 3 station, Delta Victory 1 ULM, 4H1 BAD, 4 Golf 1 Bravo Alpha Alpha is properly locked and clear, 73. And also acknowledge sa 3 station of the X1 PRS for si Tito Al, Tito Tinanet, at saka si Tito Jojo. Thank you for always supporting our Evening Net, and your 3 station for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, for Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, and for India 1 Bravo India India, Tito Jojo is properly locked and clear, 73. And more station,
41 Delta Kilo.
Si Alaric pa, DB1 si Michael Portable.
Copy Tito Dan, ano lang, sige, ano baka madinig ko.
With the indulgence of our station, on Portable, DB1 si Mike, go ahead. Sir, thank you, Rick, for joining the network on behalf of LCU. Your station is like in the excited region, at ingin dyan sa iyong radio Martino Nelson. Kailan, good evening, and all. We'll be on standby.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa pag-relay kay Tito Alaric, Tito Francis, Acknowledger Station, Tito Alaric na Muntinlupa City from the group at Vice President po ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our EveNingNet and we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveNingNet, your station, Delta Victory 1, Kilo Whiskey Mexico is probably loud and clear. Balikan ko lang po si Tito Dan. Apat ginoong isa, lalaking dating kilabot. Go ahead, Tito Dan.
Ay, magandang gabi, Ginoong Nelson. May call sa ating Pangulo ng grupo, si Francis, at sa Vice, Alaric. Nagpapatalaga sa ating gabi ng ugnay sa iyong papayit. Wala na ibang misay, kundi bayang pag-ingat lang po sa dinadala sa ating pandemya ngayon. 73 at mabuhay po. Magandang gabi ulit.
Acknowledger Station, Tito Dan ng Binyan, Laguna from the group at auditor po ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our EveNingNet, your station. For Group 1, Lima Delta Kilo is properly loud and clear. 73, magandang gabi sa iyo, Tito Dan. And also acknowledge station of Tito Nonoy and Tito Juni. Tito Nonoy ng Zamboanga City from the group DX8 Zulu Charlie. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS EveNingNet. Your station, Delta Whiskey 8, Alfa Romeo is properly loud and clear. Magandang gabi dyan, Zamboanga City. And also, acknowledge station of Tito Juni ng Davao del Norte. From the group, DX9, United Alpha India. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. EveNingNet, your station, Delta Yankee 9, Juliet Delta Charlie is properly loud and clear. 73. Any more station?
Portal 1, Alpha Kilo Sulu.
For the net.
Yung po may port net, pakibalik.
Portal 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, for the net.
Copy, Tito Jason, please stand by. Portal 1, Alpha Kilo Sulu. Go ahead, Tito Randy.
Good evening po, Control. Good evening, fellas. Just joining and supporting the net. The traffic 73, mabuhay sa iyo, men. Keep safe. Carry, salamat po.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Randy ng Silang Cavite. From the group, DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS EveNingNet. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveNingNet. Same time, same frequency. Your station, Portal 1, Alpha Kilo Sulu is properly loud and clear. 73. And next station, Tito Jason, Portal 1, Yankee Quebec Delta ng Tagaytay City. Go ahead.
Po, Tito, magandang gabi po dyan sa DX1 PRS Net. Portal 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, joining the net call. 73, mabuhay po. Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi din sa iyo, Tito Jason ng Tagaytay City. From the group DX1 EBM, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS EveNingNet. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveNingNet, your station. For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta is properly loud and clear. 73. Any more station?
Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
Papa Romeo Paxtrack, stand by Tito John, may nadinig akong kasumabay sa iyo. Yung pong sumabay kay Tito John? Yung pong station na pasabay kay PRF. Nawala. Papa Romeo Paxtrack, Tito John, one of NCS of the X1 PRS. Go ahead. At nawala yung sumabay sa iyo.
Kopya. Okay, magandang gabi Nelson for H1 Lima Charlie Uniform at sa mga nakatabay sa supporting our EveNingNet from Palama City. At saka ano pala, narinig ko kanina si Pangalos B kung nakopya mo. No more traffic, God bless, mabuhay.
Ayun, Tito Jun, Tito Cesar at si Tita Luzby, talagang hard copy ko siya dito sa lugar ko. At acknowledge ko na lang din siya pagkatapos. Tito Jun ng Calamba, Laguna from the group at one of CS of the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our EveNingNet, your station, Delta Uniform 1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot is proudly loud and clear. 73. And also acknowledge Tita Luzby ng Rodriguez Rizal at hindi pa talaga kita makopya kahit pa. From the group, DX1 EBM, NCS din po siya ng DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS EveNingNet, your station, Delta Uniform 1, Victor Lima Zulu is properly loud and clear. 73. And also acknowledge the station of Tito Juni ng Zamboanga City. From the Spark 8 Incorporated, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRF PRS Evening Net, your station. Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie, Romeo Foxtrot is properly locked and clear. Magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Tito Juni, Zamboanga City. Any more station? Pakabilik nga po yung DB1 at nawala po yung dulo.
Delta Victor 1, Oscar, Delta Charlie.
Radio Alpha.
Copy, Tito Station, Tito Raul, Radio Alpha, please stand by. Unahin ko si Tito Richard, Delta Victory 1, Oscar, Delta Charlie. Go ahead po.
Hi, good evening all around. Joining the net, this is DB1 ODC. 259, no other topic, mabuhay 73. Over.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Richard, ng Tondo, Manila. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Net, your station, DB1 ODC, is properly logged and clear. 73. Next station, Tito Raul, DB1 RA. Go ahead. Acknowledge your station, Tito Raul, from North Caloocan, from the group DX1 Echo Romeo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Net. Your station, Delta Victory 1 Romeo Alpha, is properly logged and clear. 73. Any more station?
Hotel 1, Delta Papa Quebec.
For Hotel 1, Delta Papa Quebec, Tito Pepito ng Mandaluyong. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi po, Control. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng nakaantabay sa inyong limpilan. 4H1, Delta Papa Quebec, together with my pamangkin, for Golf 1, Delta Yankee Charlie, transmitting from Mandaluyong. No further traffic, just supporting the Dignet 73, and keep safe everyone. Back to you, Control. Salamat.
At ito nung buong detalye ng Delta Yankee Charlie.
For Golf 1, Delta Yankee Charlie with the name of Aidan. Alpha India Delta Alpha November. Yes, sir.
QSL, Tito. Copy. Maraming salamat, Tito Pepito. Acknowledge your station, Tito Pepito and Tito Aidan ng Mandaluyong. From the group DX1, Mike Sierra Romeo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Net, your station, your two station, for Hotel 1, Delta Papa Quebec, and for Golf 1, Delta Yankee Charlie. Properly, loud and clear. 73 and more station. Echo Mike Kilo. Tito Edmond, Echo Mike Kilo, go ahead. Acknowledge your station, Tito Edmond ng Marikina City, at nakopya rin kita. Kaya may nakopya na kita, may konting scratchy pa, pero nare-read ko naman yung audio mo basta naka-headset ako eh. Acknowledge your station, Tito Edmond ng Marikina City, from the group DX1 BSP. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Net, your station. For Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo is properly locked and clear. 73, any more station?
Hotel 1, Papa Papa. For Hotel 1, Victor, uniform.
Copy, to station, Victor, uniform, VIP. Ay, may isa pa po ba kanina, para may natinig pa kumaina? Pakibalik po. Victor India Quebec, is that USL? Copy, Indagen po sa dalawa po nauna, Tito Boro, Tito Ambet, at unahin ko lang po, Tito Jing, at medyo scratchy at mahina sa akin. Victor India Quebec, go ahead. Ayun, Tito Jing, at nagpapa, 4x6 ka sa akin at readable na may audio. Minsan bumababa yung signal mo kaya hindi ko nakokopya minsan yung audio mo. Mukhang bumabago yung yung station mo. Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Jing, ng Rosario, Pasig City, from the group DX1 ART. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EveningNet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveningNet, your station. Delta Victory 1, Victor is India, Quebec, is properly logged and clear. At balikan ko lang po yung dalawang stasyon, for Hotel 1, Bravo, India, Papa, Tito Ambed, go ahead.
Magandang gabi, Tito Nelson, patanaran po ako. For Hotel 1, Bravo, India, Papa, Mesa Del 3, mabuhay po kayo.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Ambed, ng Pasig City, from the group DX1 ART. Maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveningNet, your station. For Hotel 1, Bravo, India, Papa, is properly logged and clear. 73, next station. For Hotel 1, Victor, United, go ahead.
For Hotel 1, Victor, United, transmitting Binyan, Laguna. Papatala lang at sumusuporta sa at Northern Traffic 73, mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Boro, ng Binyan, Laguna, from the group TX1, Mike. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EveningNet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveningNet, your station, Delta. Portal 1, Victor, United is properly logged and clear. 73 anymore.
DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, Tito Richie, go ahead.
Good evening, Thailand, Station and 73 from DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
Copy, Tito Richie, acknowledge your station, si Tito Richie na Mamatid, Cabuyao, Laguna. From the group DX1 Echo Romeo, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EveningNet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveningNet. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, Victor Bravo Yankee, is properly logged and clear. 73. And also acknowledge sa to station from the group Doc Ina and Tito Jean from Alabang, Muntinlupa. Thank you for always supporting our EveningNet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveningNet, your two station for Golf 1, Delta, Quebec, Juliet, and Whiskey 6, Echo United Gold, Stroke DU1, Tito Jean. It's probably locked and clear. 73, any more station? Signet and station who wish to join the X1 PRS EveningNet.
For Golf 1, Papa Uniform, Romeo.
For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, one of NCS of the X1 PRS. Go ahead, Tito Ruth Boy.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, everyone. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform, Romeo, Santa Rosa, Laguna, checking in and supporting RNet, no traffic, 73. Keep safe.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Ruth Boy, ng Santa Rosa, Laguna, from the group at NCS din po siya ng the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our EveningNet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveningNet. Your station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station?
For I1, my Victor India.
For I1, Mike Victor India, Tito Robert, and Juliana. Go, go.
Hi, Tito Nelson.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, all station.
For H1 LCU for the X1 PRS. For I1, Mike Victor India together with
Juliana, checking supporting the group Lando Traffic 73.
73 sa iyo, Juliana. At mukhang nalilimutan mo na yung sinasabi mo ngayon, Tito Robert.
Oo nga eh. Siya na yung nagsasalita eh.
Labo ko na po, napapaisip ko na yata ng mga sinasabihin eh. Ayun, Tito Robert and Juliana, acknowledge your station, Tito Robert and Juliana from Binyan, Laguna, from the group. Thank you for always supporting our Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net, your station for India 1. Mike Victor India is properly loud and clear. At sipagan lagi ang pag-aaral, Juliana, at sana balang araw, ito naman ang madidinig namin sa RM ng DX1 PRS. Magandang gabi dyan, Binyan, Laguna. Any more station?
Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee Delta Sierra.
Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee Delta Sierra, Tito Joseph, Coed, Santo Tomas, Batangas.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. This is Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee Delta Sierra with Andrew Joseph, transmitting from Santo Tomas, Batangas, supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net Call. Stay safe, 73, and good evening.
Ikaw ay punong-puno rito sa akin, Tito Joseph, at booming na booming ang audio. Acknowledge your station, Tito Joseph, ng Santo Tomas, Batangas, from the group, Radio Engineering Circle. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee Delta Sierra is properly loud and clear. 70 and more station. CQ, CQNet, and station be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS. Net. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS. Acknowledge the station of Tito Ricky from the group. Thank you for always supporting our Evening Net, your station for Golf 1. Whiskey Uniform Golf is properly loud and clear. 73. Any more station? CQNet and station who wish to join the X1 PRS. Evening Net, please call my station for H1 LCU. My handle is Nelson, transmitting from Binangon Rizal for the X1 PRS, standing by.
For Hotel 1, Delta Hotel.
For Hotel 1, Delta Hotel, Tito Pate, go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening to all stations. For Hotel 1, Delta Hotel, transmitting from Muntinlupa City. Just checking in. 73, mabuhay po.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Faith. At bakit yung taga Cavite napokopya ko sa portable? Mukhang tago yung area mo dyan sa Muntinlupa, on portable. Acknowledge your station, Tito Faith, from Muntinlupa, incoming DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Your station for Hotel 1, Delta Hotel is properly loud and clear. 73. Any more station? Ayun, at sinama ko na din po si Tito George ng DX1 Papa at nagbiling niya sa akin ng mga kausap ko at lag ko rin siya. For Golf 1, November 5 kilo, your station is properly loud and clear, 73. At belated happy birthday. At nakalive kasi kami kaya hindi ako makapag-check-in sa iyo. CQNet and station who wish to join the X1 PRS. CQNet.
1 Michael Paromio for the net.
Tito Mar, go ahead.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, on the station. 1 Michael Paromio supporting the net of the X1 PRS. Nabodo traffic 73. Mabuhay. God bless.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Mar, ng Binyan, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Net. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Net. Your station, 1 Mike Alfa Romeo is properly loud and clear, 73. And more station. CQNet and station be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS. Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS. will be standing by. CQNet, and station be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 pairs in minute. Please call my station. 4X1 LCU. My handle is Nelson, transmitting from Binangon Rizal for the X1 pairs standing by. Ay, ang bagal ng net namin ngayon. Bakit ganon? Hindi pa pumapasok ang aming bayad. Sa 7-Eleven kasi siya na binayaran. Any station be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS. Net. CQNet and station be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS. Please call my station 4H1 LCU. My handle is Nelson, transmitting from Binangon Rizal for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
401 Echo United November.
Ito Erwin, Echo United November, go ahead.
Ayun, good evening po, the X1 PRS, 401 Echo United November, joining the net. Maraming salamat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Erwin ng Parañaque City from the Smart. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net. Your station, Port Hotel 1, Echo United November is properly logged and clear, 70. Any more station? CQNet and station who wish to join the X1 PRS. Net. CQNet and station be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. Please call my station 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, transmitting from Binangon Rizal for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Parang nakita ko yung aking ginawa dito. Orange 1, Alpha Golf Juliet. Ayun, mukhang nasa home queue na. Go ahead.
Oo, dito lang, di lumalabas. Good evening, Nelson. Good evening, station. Orange 1, Alpha Golf Juliet. Joining and checking and joining the net, 73.
Ayun, punong-puno ka rito. At wala nang paglagyan. Acknowledge your station, Tito Edsel ng San Pedro Laguna from the group. Thank you for always supporting our Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net. Your station for India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet is properly logged and clear, 73. Any more station?
4G1 LAD
4G1 LAD, go.
Hi, good evening. Good evening to all. 4G1 LAD supporting the net.
No, rubbish. I was just reading mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Marn. From the group, DX1 Papa. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Minute. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net. Same time, same frequency, 145.340 MHz. Your station for Golf 1, Lima, Alpha Delta is properly logged and clear. Muntik na ako magbasa ng Yun, magandang gabi dyan. Any more station? CQNet and station who wish to join the X1 PRS Internet. Ano na ako pipilitin ko? will be standing by.
DAW1 Hotel Lima Victor.
Hotel Lima Victor, Tito Bunny, go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. At isang mapagpalang gabi sa lahat at sa lahat ng nakikinig. Sumasuporta po kami sa gabing lambatan ng DX1 Papa Romeo Sierra kasama ang aking may bahay na si Delta Yankee 1 55 India. 73 po at ingat po lagi from Pasig City.
Acknowledge your two station, Tito Bunny and Tita Leia ng Pasig City from the group DX3 Fox. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet. Your two station, Delta Whiskey 1 Hotel Lima Victor and Delta Yankee 1 55 India is properly logged and clear. 73, magandang gabi po dyan sa Pasig City. Signet and station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Eveningnet. Acknowledge sa toy station, Tito JR and Tita Joanne ng Rodriguez Rizal and New Era Dasmariñas Cavite from the group DX1 EBM. LCS din po sila ng DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Eveningnet. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet. There's two stations, 4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu and 4 Golf 1 Charlie November Delta is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station? EW3 Whiskey Echo Delta, Tito Edgar, go ahead. Your 5x6, Tito Edgar, dito sa Bilangon ng Rizal, readable audio na. Acknowledge your station, Tito Edgar, ng Giginto, Bulacan, from the group DX3, Whiskey Charlie, Wing Command Incorporated. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Eveningnet. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet. Your station, Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Echo Delta is properly locked and clear. 73, any more station? Time check, 8:58, Papa Mike, any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Eveningnet? CQNet, and station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Eveningnet. Please call my station, Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Eveningnet? Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Eveningnet? Time check, 9. Papa Mike. Secret station who wish to join the X1 PRS Eveningnet? Wala na po bang hahabol at tatawagin ko na yung ating pangsaradong himpilan? At wala na po ako nadidinig at sana naman ay narito siya. Si Tito N. Tito Del, andyan ka ba? ngayon at hindi nga ako binigyan, Tito Del. Acknowledge your station, Tito Del, ng Sukat Paranaque at mukhang nasa home ko na. Thank you for always supporting the X1PR at Eveningnet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Eveningnet. Same time, same frequency, 145.340 MHz. Your station for Group 1, Echo November Delta is properly logged and clear at tayo po ay mag-recap ng station na nag-check-in. At kung mayroon man po na sumabol ay antay lang po niyo yung pagbitaw ko ng PTT. At ito na po. Ang kahuli-hulihan ko rito ay si Tito Del for Group 1 and
isama mo na rin si DW1YVX.
YBX. Si ano to, Tito, ano to, no? Si YBX, si Tito, kalan, nalimutan ko pangalan.
Jason from Binyan, checking in, late check in.
Ayun, habol ko na lang. Acknowledge your station, Tito Jason ng Binyan, DW1, YBX, at bakit wala rito sa aking listahan yung iyong station. Acknowledge your station, Tito Jason. Your station, DW1, YBX is properly logged and clear. Ayun, mali pala spelling ko ng YBX. Narito na. Maraming salamat, Tito Del. At malakas naman siya sa akin, si Tito Jason. Punong-puno yun dito eh.
Thank you.
You're always welcome. At marami pong salamat din sa pagsali sa ating gabing ugnayan. Ayun po, magre-recap na po ako. At humabol na lang po yung gustong humabol. We would like to thank the 75 station who check in for tonight. But before we close the net, let me read the entries of my log sheet. If in case I miss your station, kindly inform me as soon as I have finished reading the last station. From member Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra, Tito Jun, Delta India November, Tita IB, for Group 1, Quebec Alpha Zulu, Tito Joy, DB1 ULM, Tito Francis, for H1, BAD, Tita Lynn, for Group 1, B, Bravo Alpha Alpha, Tito France, YL France, for Echo 1, ABC, Tito Al, for H1, ECB, Tita Nanette, for I1, Bravo India India, Tito Jojo, for Group 1, Lima Delta Kilo, Tito Dan, DB1, Kilo Whiskey Mexico, Tito Alaric, DU1 PRF, Tito Jun, for Group 1, Delta Quebec Juliet, Doc Ina, Whiskey 6, Echo United Golf, Stroke DU1, Tito Jin, for Group 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, Tito Root Boy, for India 1, Mike Victor India, Tito Robert, for Group 1, Whiskey Uniform Golf, Tito Ricky, and for India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet, Tito Etchel. At sa mga friends po natin na nag-check-in, for Group 1, Pax Bravo Lima, Tito Elmer, Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra, Tito Boy, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo, for India 1, Papa United Victor, Tito Voltaire. For India 1, Papa United Victor, Tito Voltaire, for Group 1, Echo Alpha X-Ray, Tita Eden, for Group 1, Abby, Tito June, for Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, Tito Mark, Delta Victory 1, Whiskey, Tito Vic, for Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango, Tito Roweno. For Group 1, Bravo 55, Tito Nato, for Group 1, November Tango, Tito Nick, for Group 1, Alpha November India, Tito Gani, DY1, 5, November Golf, Tito Nilo, for Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar, Tito Gilbert. Kilo 5 Golf, Tito Joseph, for Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf, Tito Jomar, for Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf, Tito Dindo. Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey, Ademar, for Group 1, Yankee Oscar Romeo, Esmeraldo, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee, Arnel. 4H1, Bravo Zulu Echo, Meloy. Delta Whiskey 9, Juliet, Yankee Quebec, Ame. Delta Victory 1, Sierra Lima Alpha, Santi. Sino ba ito? 4F9, INC, ano ito pangalan to? Ayan si Manuel ng Tagaytay City. Romeo Oscar Mike Romano, Delta Uniform 1 Kilo India Yankee. Delta Uniform 1 Kilo India Yankee, Tito Ed. For Golf 1, Romeo Mike Charlie Richard. Delta Whiskey 8, Alfa Romeo, Nonoy. Delta Yankee 9, Juliet, Delta Charlie, Juni. 4 Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Zulu, Randy. 4 Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, Jason. Delta Uniform 1, Victor Lima Zulu, Tita Luz B. Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Judy. Delta Victory 1, ODC, Richard. Delta Victory 1, RA, Tita Raul. 4 Hotel 1, Delta Papa Quebec, Tito Pipito. 4 Golf 1, Delta Yankee Charlie, Aidan. 4 Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo, Edmond. 4 Hotel 1, Bravo India Papa, Ambet. 4 Hotel 1, Bravo United, Siboro. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor India Quebec, Jing. Delta Uniform 1, Victor Bravo Yankee, Richie. Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee Delta Sierra, Joseph. 4 Hotel 1, Delta Hotel, Pete. 4 Golf 1, November 5 Kilo, Tito George, Mar. Mike Alfa Romeo. 4 Hotel 1, Echo United November, Erwin. 4 Golf 1, 5 Alpha Delta, Tito Mar. 4 Delta Whiskey 1, Hotel 5 Victor, Tito Bani. Delta Yankee 1, 5 India, Tita Leia. 4 Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu, Tito JR. 4 Golf 1, Charlie November Delta, Joan. Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Echo Delta, Edgar. At ang ating closing, si Tito Del. 4 Golf 1, Echo November Delta, and Tito Del and Delta Whiskey 1, YBX, Tito Jason. At marami pong salamat. Thank you very much for supporting the X1PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 MHz. The net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 MHz is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of the X1PRS, this is 4H1LCU. My handle is Nelson, saying thank you very much and good evening to all. Ang kasabihan nga po, sabi ni Tito Rotboy, mag-ingat tayong palagi, ilagak ang pag-asa sa biyayang darating. Sa dakilang Ama po ang kapurihan. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. At the net is now closed. Frequency clear. Ayun, may humabol po sa atin. Ano ba ito? Ano ito? AQ and maybe AQ. Ayun, yabol ko lang po si Tito Aldrin ng Zamboanga City from the group DX8 Charlie Zulu Charlie. Thank you for always supporting the X1PRS Eminet, your station. Delta Whiskey 8 Alpha Quebec is properly logged and clear. 73.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock. Same frequency, 145.340 MHz. God bless to all, 73.